Hey, welcome back to the Next Effect Studio. Today I am showing you how to create this smooth typewriter text reveal using After Effects. Create new composition. Size should be 1920 by 1080. Okay, now add your text here. Make anchor point to the center. You can make your anchor point center by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Home. Now align your text layer to the middle, horizontally and vertically. Select your text layer, click the arrow next to the layer to expand it. Go to text, then animate, then opacity. Set opacity to 0. Now you will see it added a new animator one. This control the range. Expand range selector one, then keyframe the start. At beginning of your timeline, set the start to 0. Then go back to the 3 seconds and set the start to the 100. Let's add the more human type in field, not robotic. Still under range selector, go to advanced and change this value based on select as a characters. Smoothness to 0, easy high to 100, easy low to 100. Randomize order off. Okay, now all done. Your smooth typewriter reveal is ready to go. Use it for intros, titles or story driving videos. Drop a like if this helped you. Comment if you want more variation like distorted, type-in or hacker effects. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Effect Studio for weekly advanced motion tips.